and kid. Answer 2. What did I do? But the one to have a new neighbor. It was loud and rock icons. I need a ride, said Bird. I think I go to the beach, said Bird. But what in the sand? She dipped herself into the water. What is a snack? What is a snack? Just I love the beach, said Bird. Just then Bird saw something. There were a big hawk in the sky. The hawk will eat me, said Bird. Bird found a good place to hide. The hawk was gone. Bird flew back home. I saw a big hawk, said Bird. Oh no, said Kid. I don't like hawk. Where was it? It is at the beach. Where it come here? Asked Kid. I don't think so, said Bird. The tree is a surprise.